Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ledger with Phantom Wallet. First, make sure your Ledger device's firmware is completely up to date for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the Solana application on your Ledger through Ledger Live. It's crucial to close Ledger Live completely before proceeding to connect with Phantom. Finally, open your Phantom Wallet browser extension to begin the connection process. Now, let's initiate the connection. Within your Phantom Wallet, locate and click on the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear. From the Settings menu, select the option to Add or Connect Hardware Wallet. You'll then be prompted to choose your hardware wallet type. Select Ledger. Finally, confirm the connection request directly on your Ledger device by pressing both buttons. Once connected, Phantom Wallet will automatically detect and display a list of your Solana accounts stored on your Ledger device. Carefully select each account you wish to import and manage through Phantom. Take a moment to review the imported accounts to ensure everything is correct. Your Ledger-protected Solana accounts are now seamlessly integrated and ready for use within your Phantom Wallet interface. When performing transactions with your connected Ledger accounts in Phantom, remember that every action, such as sending tokens or interacting with dApps, will require physical confirmation on your Ledger device. Always double-check the transaction details displayed on your Ledger screen before pressing both buttons to approve. Your private keys never leave your Ledger, ensuring maximum security. For best practice, disconnect your Ledger when not in active use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.